Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. ShareASale is a popular affiliate marketing network that connects you, the affiliate or publisher, with thousands of merchants, that is advertisers, offering products and services to promote for a commission. Here is a full guide on how to get started and make money with the ShareASale affiliate program. Now let's start with this first phase, which is getting your ShareASale affiliate account. In here, you need to first sign up for a free affiliate account. You can do that by going to the ShareASale website right in here and click on the affiliate sign up link. The application process involves a few short steps, that is including providing your desired username and password and your country of residence. You will be asked for details about your website, including its URL and language. It is important to have an active website or a public social media profile or page that you plan to use for promotion. Using a branded email address that matches your domain can help with the approval process. Secondly, you'll now need to wait for account approval. After submitting your application and confirming your email, your application will be reviewed. This typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Thirdly, complete your affiliate profile and payment settings. Log into your new dashboard and update your profile. This is crucial as merchants will review this when you apply to their programs. Include details about your website's traffic, audience demographics, and your planned promotional methods. Another step in here is to set up your payment details. ShareASale offers payment via direct deposit, that is ACH, wire deposits, or physical check, which is not PayPal. The default minimum payment threshold is $50, which you can raise if desired. Now let's get to the second phase, which is finding programs and getting links. So in here first, you need to search for merchants or programs. In your ShareASale dashboard, navigate to merchants. Now click on search for merchants. You can search using keywords, merchant name, or browse by category. This is a crucial tip in here. Focus on merchants whose products are highly relevant to your niche and audience. This increases conversion rates. Another key thing is to pay attention to key metrics and program details. In here you have commission rates. Look for competitive rates, which can be a percentage of the sale, that is pay per sale, or a flat amount for a lead, which is pay per lead. We also have EPC, which is earnings per click. This value helps gauge a program's profitability and conversion success among other affiliates. A higher EPC is generally better. Secondly, in here under finding programs and getting links, we have apply to join merchant programs. Once you find a suitable program, click join program. You may be asked to write a short description of how you plan to promote the merchant. Be clear and professional, as the merchant's affiliate manager will review this for approval. Thirdly, get your affiliate links. After a merchant approves your application, you can access your unique tracking links. Go to links, then click on get a link or banner. Click get links next to the approved merchant's name. You'll find various creative options, including text links, banners, and coupons or deals. You can also use the create a custom link tool to generate a trackable link to any specific page on the merchant's website. Third phase is making money, which is actually a promotion strategy in here. In here first, create high quality valuable content. The most successful method is to integrate affiliate links naturally into informative, engaging content like blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, or social media recommendations. Another key thing is to focus on strong audience. Your revenue depends heavily on the quality of your content, your ability to drive targeted traffic, and also your audience's trust. Another key thing, secondly, is to utilize SEO and content strategy. Use relevant keywords to help your content rank in search engines and drive traffic. Also, ensure your promotions feel intrinsic to your content and provide genuine value to your readers. Thirdly, disclose your affiliate relationship, that is FTC compliance. Another key thing is to monitor and now optimize your performance. Use the Reports tab in your ShareASale dashboard to track clicks, sales, and commissions. Also, finally, identify which programs and content pieces are performing best and focus your efforts on doubling down on what works. Find and replace any broken links to prevent lost commissions. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.